Resetting the keyboard settings on the Galaxy S25 restores the keyboard to its default state, helping fix issues like lag, unresponsiveness, or incorrect autocorrections. Here's how it's done. First, pull up the app drawer and tap on the Settings app. Once you're inside, scroll down and find General Management, then tap on it. On the next screen, look for Samsung keyboard settings and tap to open it. Now, scroll down to the bottom where you'll find the option for Reset to Default Settings. Tap on it, and if you just want to reset the keyboard settings, choose Reset Keyboard Settings and tap Reset at the bottom to confirm. This will bring your keyboard back to its original setup, which is super helpful if you've changed some settings and things aren't working right anymore. If you're dealing with issues related to text predictions or touch recognition, you can also delete personalized predictions or reset touch data from the same menu. Just tap the correct option and follow the on-screen instructions. Additionally, you can clear the keyboard app's cache to resolve minor glitches by tapping Clear Cache in the same section. And that's it. We hope this guide helps you get your Galaxy S25 keyboard working perfectly again. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.